Juggling bills, tracking expenses, and saving for that dream vacation, it can feel overwhelming. But what if there was a tool that could streamline everything? A financial co-pilot whispering insights in your ear? Enter Mint, the free budgeting app that centralizes your finances and helps you take control. Today, we're diving deep into how to join the Mint fam and unlock a world of financial clarity. So, whether you're a budgeting pro or a complete newbie, buckle up. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to transform your finances with Mint. Signing up for Mint, a breeze, not a hurricane. First things first, joining Mint is as easy as, well, spending money online, although hopefully with a bit more planning involved. You can sign up directly on their website, mention website name, or download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Here's the beauty, the sign-up process is completely free. No credit card needed, just your email address and a password to create your secure account. Mint uses industry-standard encryption to keep your financial data safe, so you can breathe easy. Connecting your accounts, the magic behind the Mint. Now, this is where Mint really shines. To get a full picture of your financial health, you'll need to connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and any other financial institutions you use. Don't worry, the process is secure and Mint uses something called screen scraping technology to access your data. They never actually store your login credentials, so your information remains safe with your bank. Here's the fun part, Mint does all the heavy lifting. Just follow the prompts to enter your bank login details, and Mint will securely connect and download your transactions. It might take a few minutes depending on the number of accounts you have, but it's a one-time setup that unlocks a world of financial insights. Budgeting made simple, from chaos to calm. Alright, with your accounts connected, Mint works its magic. It automatically categorizes your transactions, groceries, bills, entertainment, giving you a clear picture of where your money goes. No more digging through receipts or late-night spreadsheet battles. Mint does the organizing for you. But Mint goes beyond just tracking. It helps you set up a budget, a personalized roadmap to your financial goals. Whether you want to save for a down payment on a house or finally conquer that credit card debt, Mint helps you create realistic spending targets and tracks your progress over time. Beyond budgeting, the perks of Mint. Mint doesn't stop at budgeting. Here are some additional features that make it a financial powerhouse. Bill pay reminders, never miss a bill payment again. Mint sends you helpful notifications so you can stay on top of your finances and avoid those pesky late fees. Financial goals, set specific goals, a new car, a dream vacation, and Mint tracks your progress, keeping you motivated and on the path to financial freedom. Credit score monitoring, stay informed about your credit score with Mint's free credit monitoring tool. It provides insights into factors affecting your score and helps you build a healthier financial future. Investment tracking, do you dabble in the stock market? Mint can track your investments and provide a consolidated view of all your financial assets. Mint, your financial BFF. Think of Mint as your financial best friend, always there to support you, offer advice, and celebrate your achievements. It's a tool that empowers you to take control of your finances, make informed decisions, and reach your financial goals. Security matters, keeping your Mint safe. Let's address a common concern, security. Mint takes data security very seriously. They use industry-standard encryption to protect your information, and they never store your login credentials. Additionally, you can enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security on your account. So, is Mint right for you? If you're looking to take control of your finances, Mint is a fantastic tool. It's free, user-friendly, and packed with features to help you budget, save, and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're a budgeting veteran or just starting your financial journey, Mint can be a valuable asset in your financial toolbox. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.